2-0. You're welcome. 2-0. You're welcome. You're welcome.
It's not certified yet,
No,
bro.
it's not certified. Yo, YouTube. I was gonna say, before this camera was turned on, I did say, yo, mom. I told him to turn around, bro. She looked at me. I said, turn around. He said, who? He said, who? He said, who? Next thing you know, by the time he turned around, she was already on his shoulder. Come on, now.
Oh, nigga popped the glass on his tire.
She was already on his shoulder. I don't like that. You know what I'm saying?
You just gotta chill real quick. Just vibe.
That was the one. She was the one shooting the music video.
You said what?
She's the artist.
What artist?
She was the one. Yo, wasn't she the one shooting the music video?
So what?
She was shooting the music video, right? Them.
Yeah, somebody was.
Yeah, they were shooting a music video, bro, at the varsity.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never seen her in my life.
Me either. Never.
Shit, you trying to walk around this bitch? What's she doing, bro? Niggas doing shit they're not supposed to be doing, bro. What's down your hand?
Grab her. Nobody wants to smoke, but
niggas is smoking cigarettes, bro. I swear to God. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Yo.
What you doing? You spinning the Range Rover? You ain't spinning the Range Rover?
Oh, hell no.
Why not? Spin out.
She said I'm driving pleasure.
It's still for sale. I'll let the owner, the next owner.
Oh, what year that is?
16.
Let me take a look at that.
The Rangy? The Rover?
I'm shopping. I got the whips.
Oh, for real?
I got the whip. I got car lot on the east. Cater. Top notch. Following on IG.
Oh God, hold on, man. I need to. Them boys going nuts.
that shit was loud as fuck.
How long you think we finna be here for?
It depends. What you talking about before the cops
You said what?
Before the cops get here or before we just decide to leave?
Nah, before the cops get here.
Say good. 20.
20?
Yeah.
Huh?
They're not ODing right now.
They're not. I think they're waiting for more people to pull up.
So look out.
You said what? For real? Oh, that nigga took off.
Hold on. Easy little gift right here.
Then what he driving?
I don't know. Nigga said 10 GSP.
Sick. A nigga like me. Oh, he's running from GSP? He's crazy. He's finna die tonight. Oh, RP to that nigga. RP to that nigga. He finna die tonight. They finna run his ass over. This nigga trying to run from GSP, bro.
Ooh.
This nigga trying to run from GSP, bro.
Somebody that's here?
Nah, somebody that was in the group.
Oh hell no. GG's.
He's dead. That's why I told him. He's
You
dead.
gotta take him to Alabama.
Nigga, they gonna go to Alabama. That's the thing.
Nah.
Yes.
They gonna have
He
to,
not gonna
they
make
gotta
it.
They gonna have to transfer him.
He not
over.
gonna make it, bro.
They have to transfer him over to
He's not gonna make it.
what's it called? To the Arkansas. Well, not Arkansas, the Alabama police. They don't have to start chasing his ass.
Nah, this nigga, this shit smoking. Oh God. Yeah, look at that.
Look at that motherfucker. Look at that bitch.
He can't even see. Oh, there's a nigga in there. Oh, I can. Oh, he tripping. He tripping. No, I'm straight, bro.
I think the girl was in the car. They was finding everything.
Damn. He's not done. Nah, his car is getting smoky though, I ain't gonna lie. Nah! Oh, nigga bugging. This is a match. Oh yeah. Hold on. I didn't know y'all niggas had it like that.
Put the motherfucking
I didn't know y'all niggas had it like that. You up? Where you at? Go, nigga. Hold on, bro. You gotta show out for the cues. Y'all niggas gotta show out for the cues, bro. Y'all gotta show out for the cues. Oh my god.
I got one tire and no jack.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, I can't get my shit to spin, bro, on concrete, bro. My shit won't spin, bro.
I used to
That's
do
why I
that,
don't want to go there.
that shit.
Hold on, bro. Just said he. Bro, just said he up. He really whipping it. That nigga whipping, I ain't gonna cap. Damn. Why y'all niggas all the way over here?
Oh God.
Y'all gotta do it together. I ain't gonna cap. Y'all gotta do it together.
Strategizing.
Y'all gotta do that shit together,
I'm
bro.
trying to think right now, do I really want to pull this bitch out there and spin this bitch right now?
Yes. Damn. She said this shit better than the club.
Oh God,
My left tire looks straight. I ain't gonna lie to you.
So where you going? He not really hitting it, bro. That shit's ass. That shit wasn't it, bro. That shit wasn't it. Oh, nah. Should I go spin the Jag? I go spin the Jag, bro.
Hell yeah, go swing the job. Oh shit, toss me the keys.
Huh? Oh yeah, he going stupid. That's that beam chop. That's that beam chop. Oh my God. That's that beam chop, bro. That's that beam chop. Niggas don't know about the beamer, bro. Niggas don't know about the beamer.
Bro, I got so I almost touched his tail light, bro. You can. Oh
They don't know about the beamer, bro. No cap. What he at? What he at? Pull up, nigga. Pull up, nigga. Beam chop. Beam chop.
Hey, back up, make a circle, make a circle, make a circle. Back up.
Beam chop. Why everybody dip? Oh, no, it's on the go. Hey! Hey!
Yo, this is like GTA lobby, bro. This is real life GTA. Can't make this shit up. Ooh.
You gotta strap up, bro.
Hell yeah.
They trying to box us in again. Now chill. You bugging. Nigga, get that good. Go.
Bust it.
Oh, right. Oh, Fabiano.
Oh.
Go. Go, nigga. Oh, they coming. Oh.